Yeah, Pritesh sir, currently
Okay.
at Germany.
No, sir. I'm in Dublin right now.
So actually, we are disturbing you at
Yes.
night.
Nothing like that, ma'am. Pleasure to be here.
Yeah, it's really great of you.
Okay. Okay. We will start. Switch on your camera and you can start.
Rakesh sir, should we start the program?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Namaste to all. Namaste, my dear student friends and respected teachers and our beloved guest, Pritesh Tiwari sir. Namaste to all. I request my co-host Aparna to start the function.
Aparna, where are you?
Good morning, Auntie. Respected Principal Dr. D. Pawar.
Aparna, your voice is not audible. Come to nearby network.
Hello.
Yes, now it is clear. Now you can start, please, again.
Yeah. Good morning to all my friends and my teacher. I welcome my respected Principal Dr. D.B. Pawar sir. I also welcome our chief guest, Mr. Pritesh Tiwari sir, and our self-finance in charge, Seema Safale madam, and Vice Principal and life member of Kriti College, Dr. Milind Magdonkar. I feel really privileged to welcome you all here. Myself, first year student Aparna Pandey from Computer Science Department, welcomes you all to the Horizon Festival, and I will be your host for today, and my co-host Advait Gokhale would be joining you with this. Advait, can you proceed further?
Yes, surely. मी माननीय प्रितेश तिवारी सरांना आणि प्रिन्सिपल डॉक्टर डी व्ही पाटील सरांना आणि व्हाईस प्रिन्सिपल सरांना दीप प्रज्वलन करण्याची विनंती करतो आणि त्यांनी कृपया करून
Advait,
हा मॅम
excuse me. I will stop here and I will request our chief guest to inaugurate the function first. Okay?
Surely, ma'am.
Thank
Surely.
you. Okay, on behalf of Kriti. Swapnali, just see that whose mic is on. I will
Ma'am, I'm
request
sharing
our chief guest to inaugurate.
Before sir, ma'am, would like to say some lines for sir before he inaugurates the function. Would I take it further?
Okay, Aparna. There is a change in program. Okay, fine, Aparna. Rakesh sir, by that time you just switch on the PPT for inauguration. Aparna,
Yeah.
you can talk. Rakesh sir, we can't see your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
Rakesh sir, what is happening?
It's opening a file, ma'am. Wait 2 minutes. Wait.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, now we will see the screen of inauguration.
Pritesh, so you can click on this button.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Pritesh, so you click on this button, inaugurate.
Yeah, I need to take the control first here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've just asked for the control.
Right.
Yes, click on yes.
Yes. So you can click on it. There is an arrow over here.
Yeah, I'm clicking on the same, on the inauguration button.
Yes, click on arrow and then click on inaugurate.
Ma'am, I think the screen sharing has been stopped. I'm unable to see.
Okay, Rakesh sir.
Exactly. There is a problem.
Okay, fine. This was an inauguration. Sorry I think there might be a problem with the network. So the inauguration, we will consider it as that we have done the inauguration, if you don't mind. And we will start with the next step. Advait,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can request our chief
Okay.
for a Deep Prajwalan. Rakesh sir, by that time you start with the Deep Prajwalan screen.
Yeah, ma'am.
Advait, you can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Advait, speak.
येस मॅम. मी माननीय प्रितेश तिवारी सरांना दीप प्रज्वलन त्यांनी करावे अशी विनंती करतो. त्याचप्रमाणे आमचे प्रिन्सिपल माननीय डॉक्टर डी.व्ही. पाटील सर यांना सुद्धा मी दीप प्रज्वलनाची विनंती करतो व मी आमचे व्हाईस प्रिन्सिपल सर यांना सुद्धा दीप प्रज्वलनासाठी निमंत्रित करतो. त्यांनी कृपया करून दीप प्रज्वलन करून या कार्यक्रमाची सांगता करावी. कुठल्याही कार्यक्रमाच्या पूर्वी दीप प्रज्वलनाचे महत्व अनन्यसाधारणच असते, हे आपल्या सगळ्यांना ठाऊकच आहे. त्याचप्रमाणे दीप प्रज्वलन करून आपण यावर्षी जो ऑनलाईन फेस्ट घेतोय होरायझन, त्याची सुरुवात त्यांनी कृपया करून करावी व आम्हा सर्वांसाठीच ही एक नवीन सुरुवात आहे असं त्यांनी दाखवून द्यावं. धन्यवाद.
थँक्यू अद्वैत.
Yes, Rakesh sir.
Ma'am. We are sharing the screen. See.
दीप प्रज्वलन करून माननीय प्रमुख पाहुण्यांनी व प्रिन्सिपल सरांनी व व्हाईस प्रिन्सिपल सरांनी आपल्या या कार्यक्रमाला एक नवीन शुभारंभ दिलेला आहे. मी आता I will say the श्लोक we all always say. Yes, ma'am.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rakesh sir.
Pritesh Tiwari is the control man. Yeah. Right. So, yes. Then, so you can give the control to another one. Yeah. Already there is a glowing. Pritesh, stop control from your side. Then
Yeah.
we will do some another feature, right?
I have stopped the control.
Yeah. Pawar sir, click on the chief guest too. So you get the control, Pawar sir. Yeah.
Yes.
And then sir, stop the control from your side. Yeah. So there is a on the top there is a button. You can stop. Pawar sir, give control. Stop your control
Hello.
from your side.
Stop. Where is the button?
Sir,
of the
तुम्ही
stop?
control stop. तुम्ही control button stop करा वरती आहे बघा up side ला.
झालं?
नाही कंट्रोल स्टॉप नाही झाला माझं. तुम्ही डायरेक्टली पेज ओपन केलाय, तुम्ही कंट्रोल स्टॉप करा वरनं.
ओके, एक मिनिट.
त्या स्टॉप प्रेझेंटिंग आहे ना, स्टॉप प्रेझेंटिंग
कंट्रोल स्टॉप. अरे हो,
राईट.
वेगळं आलं रे. यू कंट्रोल द कंटेंट द प्रेझेंट शेअरिंग. रिक्वेस्ट करू.
स्टॉप.
सर त्या रिक्वेस्ट मध्ये सीमा सापळे मॅडमचं नाव आहे बघा, त्यांना हे करा.
हो मी त्यांना हे करते. बोल. हो. एक सेकंड. एक सेकंड. सीमा मॅम ह्याच्यावर क्लिक करा तुम्ही, या लॅम्प वर. ब्राउझर वर क्लिक करा. दिस गुगल क्रोम.
ओके केलं.
डबल क्लिक करा मॅम.
काय करू?
डबल क्लिक करा मॅम. तुमच्याकडे मॉडिफायचा ऑप्शन आहे. डबल क्लिक ऑन इट.
केलं ना बरं क्लिक त्याच्यावर क्रोम वरतीच ना
हा मॅम.
हा केलं.
वेट मॅम तुम्ही बटन 3 वर क्लिक करा आता. चीफ गेस्ट 3 राईट. You click on chief guest 2 also here. Already झालाय. Chief guest 2 and chief guest. आणि ती suddenly cut झालेले ते. Right?
झालं ना
हो
so
मॅम.
it's done ना हा ओके
या
I would like to
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम्
Okay.
I would like to take our program further and say devoted slok to our Gurujans and our respected chief guests. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. My dear friends and respected teachers and our respected chief guests, we all are gathering here for our online fest, online event, Horizon 2K 20 and 21. Today, we are here to celebrate Horizon Fest, which is a very grand event of our Kirti College's CS and IT department. Due Fest in all these pandemic situations, I'm thankful to all of our staff and our teachers. It is going to be virtual, taking into consideration all the rules and regulations set up by the government. We are going to carry over this phase. In this, from past 17 years, our CS and IT department is continuously doing this Horizon Fest, and in this year we have theme of cloud computing. Our respected chief guest, Mr. Pritesh Tiwari sir, is master in cloud computing. I would like to say a few words about cloud computing. Simply put, cloud computing in delivery of computing services, including server, storage, database networking softwares, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. The cloud is not only means the storage, it also means virtual computers to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economics of scale. You typically pay only cloud services you use, helping lower opportunity costs. Organizations are turning to cloud computing services. Cost, speed, global surface, productivity, performance, reliability, security of cloud computing. Not all clouds are same. Computing is right for everyone. Several different models, types, and servers have evolved to help offer the right solutions for your needs. First, you need determine the type of cloud deployment or cloud computer architecture that your cloud service will be implement on. There are three different ways to deploy cloud services: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. I request my co-host Aparna to tell the information about our Kirti College.
Sorry, actually my connection was not well, so because of that I missed out. Yeah. Uh, so before starting, let's get let's pronounce a shlok and then start our fest. And it is as Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwarai, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Nama. With this, we are starting a festival, and as you know, our college student, as in our college, sports and other cultural activities are given equal importance of consideration with the studies. Our college student participate in inter-college, zonal and national sport competitions. Thus, our college got much fame among other colleges also. We sincerely hope that the reputation of our college continues to grow. With this, uh, I will now ask our HOD, Apurva Madam, to say some words and ask a vice principal and principal to throw some special words to them.
Yeah, thank you, Aparna. Thank you, Advait. Yeah, that was a nice start. No problem. Good morning, our respected principal, Dr. D.V. Pawar, sir. Our vice principal and in charge of self-finance, Dr. Seema Sape, ma'am. Vice principal, Dr. Kaude, sir. Vice principal, Suntakke, sir. Vice principal and life member of Kirti College, Dr. Minal Mapur. Welcome you all. That was a real and nice start. I can understand there is a small glitch, but no problem with that small glitch, never. So you should never let your fears prevent you from doing what you know is right. So when things are right and if there is some glitch, no problem. So I think we have started with the inauguration. That was fantastic PPT actually with the cutting of those ribbon and all. Though we have started, no problem. There was a network, but we still started. I know that whenever there's such problems, programs are there, we can understand about the network issues. So Aparna was facing that, but yes, still we have started with that. And even because our Rakesh sir is also sitting somewhere else, not in the Mumbai, so even he is facing that laptop problem. But yes, I can appreciate his hard work. He have written a code for Deep Prajwalan and created that script in JavaScript, of course, and given a control to all. And he have really, everyone should appreciate and his hard work and his leadership, because he was the one who was communicating with all those event heads, which is Rohit Gaikwad and Kinchal, from third year students, absolutely managing fantastic this program with lineup of all this. I know this is the first time online festival, but yes, there was a good start with all proper steps. I know that might be feeling a little bit not so easy to conduct such. This is the first time, but yes, everyone has done fantastic. Aparna, Advait, no need to worry. You have done a fantastic job. The task of leadership is not to put greatness into people, but to elicit it. That is to invoke it. For the greatness is there already. So it's already there. So, and you are doing very well. With this, I will request our Principal Dr. Pawar sir to address the session. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you, Apurva, madam. Good morning to one and all. Today's chief guest for the Horizon event of IT and Computer Science, Sri Pritesh Tiwari, in charge of self-finance courses, and Vice Principal Dr. Seema Sape, madam. All the office bearers of the Kirti College, HODs, and your HOD Apurva, madam, faculty members, teaching staff and non-teaching staff, and dear students. I, Dr. D.V. Pawar, Principal of Kirti College, welcome you for this event actually. As you are aware, every year we are organizing such type of activities in the campus, but it was a physically activities actually. But this year, due to Corona-19, we have to organize all the activities, events online. In Kirti College, there are 6 self-finance courses. But first, I will congratulate to IT and Computer Science Department, because you have taken the initiative, and this is the first department, I will say, they are organizing all online events. And if you see the online events, there are varieties of the events actually. That may be the acting, dancing, singing, mehndi competition, then computer coding, quiz. And there are some innovative ideas also, I will say. I am not aware of that. What is that activity? But call on duty mobile. Okay, I think when I will observe that activity, I will come to know actually what is that call on duty mobile. And then again, Corona quiz. This is actually very important actually. And I will say this is the innovative ideas of the students. And as Apurva said, correct, no, this event is organized by students only. And so I congratulate to the students of IT and computer science departments. Dear students, actually now see what is the personality development, correct? व्यक्तिमत्व विकास म्हणजे आपण काय म्हणतो, आणि व्यक्तिमत्व विकासासाठी ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आवश्यक आहेत. ग्रॅज्युएशन तर तुम्ही व्हालच, बरोबर ना, बिकॉज ग्रॅज्युएशन इज नॉट द प्रॉब्लेम. आय थिंक प्रितेश तिवारी विल say something regarding the graduation and all the thing, correct, no, in guidance. But ग्रॅज्युएशन होणं अवघड नाही असं मी म्हणतो, कारण आमची जबाबदारी आहे की आपल्याला ग्रॅज्युएट करणं. पण ग्रॅज्युएशन करत असताना ही जी आपल्याला 3 वर्ष मिळालेली आहेत, ह्या 3 वर्षाचा जास्तीत जास्त उपयोग आपण मॅक्झिमम ह्या एक्स्ट्रा करिक्युलर ॲक्टिव्हिटीजमध्ये करावा असं मी तुम्हाला एक सजेस्ट करेन. जर आपलं व्यक्तिमत्व पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलपमेंट व्हायची असेल तर ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीज जर मध्ये भाग घेतला तर नक्कीच त्याची मदत होऊ शकते. अशा ॲक्टिव्हिटीजमुळे काय काय फायदा होऊ शकतो आपला, तर फर्स्ट यू कॅन डेव्हलप युअर कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल. आपला जो काय आत्मविश्वास आहे, आता जे 2 विद्यार्थी अँकर करतायत, बरोबर ना, सूत्रसंचालन करतायत, नावामध्ये गडबड करतायत, काय हरकत नाही, चुकू देत मॅडम, आपलेच ते विद्यार्थी आहेत, चुकलं तर काही हरकत नाही आहे, बरोबर ना. परंतु त्यांना एक संधी मिळाली, आणि संधी मिळाली तर त्याचा नक्कीच उपयोग होऊ शकतो. हे आता ऑनलाईन आहे, पण प्रत्यक्ष जर ॲक्टिव्हिटी असते आणि त्यांनी ॲक्टिंगमध्ये, डान्सिंगमध्ये, सिंगिंगमध्ये भाग घेतला तर नक्कीच त्यांचा एक कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल जे आपण म्हणतो ती मिळू शकते. आणि ही कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल कुठून मिळू शकते, तर ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीमधूनच मिळू शकते. ग्रॅज्युएशन होणं तो तर पार्ट आपला आहे, बिकॉज बेसिकली यू आर अ स्टुडंट अँड देअरफॉर यू आर टेकिंग पार्ट इन सच व्हेरियस ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. म्हणून मी एकच विनंती करेल की अशा विविध ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ज्या आहेत जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांनी भाग घ्यावा. प्राईज मिळेल न मिळेल तो भाग नंतरचा, लक्षात घ्या, बट पार्टिसिपेशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट ॲक्च्युली. पार्टिसिपेशन हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. त्यामध्ये प्राईज मिळणं न मिळणं हा नंतरचा भाग, पण सहभाग हा तितकाच महत्त्वाचा आहे. मला वाटतं मी जास्त वेळ घेत नाही आहे, परंतु परत एकदा आपणा सर्वांचं आणि विशेष विद्यार्थ्यांचं मी कौतुक करेल की आपण इनिशिएटिव्ह घेऊन दरवर्षी आपण वेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटचे वेगवेगळे ॲक्टिव्हिटीज असतात, क्षितिज असेल, मोक्ष असेल, अशा प्रकारचे इव्हेंट्स आपण ऑर्गनाईज करत असतो. परंतु आपण ही सुरुवात केलेली आहे. आपलंच अनुकरण मला वाटतं इतर डिपार्टमेंटही करतील आणि इतर डिपार्टमेंटसुद्धा अशाच प्रकारच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी ऑनलाईन ऑर्गनाईज करतील याची मला खात्री आहे. परत एकदा सर्वांचं स्वागत करतो, अभिनंदन करतो आणि थांबतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र. ओव्हर टू यू मॅडम. थँक्यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a kind appreciation words that will really boost their energy. And now I will request our Vice Principal and Self-Finance in charge, Dr. Seema Sape, Madam, to address the session. Over to you, ma'am.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Respected Principal Dr. D.V. Pawar, sir. Other office bearers, CS and IT coordinator Apurva madam and her team, and my fellow colleagues and my dear students, and of course our chief guest, Mr. Pritesh Tiwari, who has taken his time to inaugurate, to come for the inauguration of this function. I have heard that you have come, you are speaking from Germany, and at Germany I think the time is around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. So sir, thank you very much for accepting our invitation. Yes, Apurva madam and her team, I congratulate all of you for organizing such a wonderful festival. Your department, I know, is the pioneer of the festival culture in Kirti College. This year is a very difficult year for all of us, but still we are struggling and finding out the way to sustain and grow. Now, every year we see a very vibrant atmosphere during this period. This is the festival period from December to February. All of us are enjoying the real time in college, especially the students. because gathering and all festivals, all programs are arranged during this period, winter time. So we really enjoy this period. But this year we are missing it very much. But still, your department has organized this virtual festival. It's really creditable to you. And I would like to congratulate once again and best wishes for CS and IT department on this Horizon Festival. Thank you very much. Over to Apurva, madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. Advait, you can take over the charge. Can request Aparna to introduce the chief guest. Advait, unmute yourself. Advait, unmute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am. Thank you so much, Apurva ma'am. Thank you so much, Principal sir. Thank you so much, Seema ma'am. Your words were not just a string, but there was truly motivation for all of our students. Now I request my co-host Aparna to introduce our respected and beloved chief guest to all of us.
Thank you, Advait. Our honorable chief guest, Pritesh Tiwari, who is also alumni of college and has collaborated with our college, also have covered long journey from being student to being founder of Science Wizard, is a lead data scientist and techpreneur with an overall experience in banking, insurance, and fintech. He is always excited and mean to learn new technology advancement and can have passionate discussions about data science and analytical business use cases, leveraging the power and AI automation. He has been authorizing and reviewing many data science books, also being a data scientist advisor and mentor for a lot of data science institutes, and has conducted cooperative training and workshop in India and UK. I request Mr. Pritesh Tiwari and thank him for being here. Sir, for his being so much, although having so much busy schedule, he has spent his time with us and would request sir to address the festival. Sir, can you please address and take over the charge?
Sure. Thank you so much for the introduction. First of all, am I audible to everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So I'll take it forward. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, Pawar sir, our respected vice principal, all our teachers and all our students. Thank you so much for having me today. So, right, I really want to say a lot of things, but I would just start with the things where we have started. So sometimes I even used to be part of Horizon when I was a student at Kirti College. There used to be a lot of fun. I understand it was all offline and now it has been shifted everything to online. I can see the effort of all the students and teachers to take it forward, collect all the things together, like doing this inauguration with those the Jyoti and doing the inauguration by cutting the ribbon, all those efforts that has been taken, the planning. I can see like how rigorous effort has been taken by each one of you. I understand this, like how much planning is required, because even I was part of Horizon team when we were doing this Horizon in like when I was in the last year. So I was part of like gaming festival, as sir was talking about. This year we have Call of Duty. When I was there, we have Counter Strike and Dota Mobile. During that time, we conducted. Uh, yeah, and talking about like today's theme, cybersecurity. So cybersecurity is again one of the, I would say, leading space in IT. It has a lot of scope. Apart from AI, robotic process automation, cybersecurity is something that is spreading like anything. So yeah, like I'll be more happy to like talk more into it, as we already conducted one of the so like few of the use cases in AI last week, and we also had a very bit understanding about robotic process automation and cybersecurity as well. So I'm really happy to see that, because when we were there, data science, AI, and cybersecurity, all of these things were not in syllabus. it's great that Mumbai University have added all of this subject, because apart from our native IT courses and native like programming languages and all those stuff, so uh, adding cyber security, data science is really good initiative by the university and the college itself to take this forward and to come up with this kind of things by adding like themes in like cyber security and data science in your IT festival to boost up the confidence of the students. Just one request from my side to all the students to understand the effort of the college, what exactly they are trying to do. They can keep the theme anything, but they are keeping it by looking at the industry standard, like what exactly is going on in the industry, whether it is data science, whether it is cyber security, and based on that they are trying to do this all these things for you. So it is our duty to understand that what exactly they are doing and to get aligned with it. And yeah, I'm really happy to share like whatever knowledge I have on cybersecurity and data science in a respected manner, and we can take it in the form of workshop or seminars, whatever we have conducted. And as Aparna mentioned, and Apurva madam has given us the opportunity to collaborate with Kirti College to conduct the workshops, and even we'll be looking for multiple interns in the like interns in the area of data science, in the robotic process automation and cyber security as well. So it will be a full-time collaboration between Kirti College and Data Science Wizards. Will be looking on the bright students who are very much passionate about coding in data science, of course, in cyber security as well. And those internship can be later on converted into a full-time job role as well. But to start with, it's for the first thing that everybody needs to do. It's to be passionate about cyber security and to understand why exactly they are learning it. Like all of us are learning to being graduate. Sir was saying that being graduate is one of the things they'll be helping us to get graduate and provide us all the things necessary, all the education and the curriculum, all the stuffs they are providing. But apart from that, all the curricular activities which is going on and which is conducted by the college in the form of this festival that we are having today, in the form of other extracurricular activities like the seminar and workshop that has been conducted by the college, that is really important. Like from the student perspective, I would say when I was there in college, even for me the only most important thing was degree. But later on I realized that all of these things actually conclude more, like along with your degree as well, because these things give you the confidence to speak in the market, to go into the market, to know about what are the things exactly there in the market, right? So yeah, like taking part in those extracurricular activities, understanding what are the things which is going on. As you guys are in IT, you should know, like apart from software development, there are a lot of things which is going on in IT, so you should be aware, and your college is really helpful to conduct this different kind of workshops and seminar. Apurva ma'am is taking all the efforts for you guys to be aware and upfront in the market, and of course to take our college in the, I would say, leading front, whether we talk about AI or we talk about cyber security. So it should be on our side, being as a student, to understand this effort and be enthusiastic, first of all, about the things that we are learning, and understand why we are learning and get our interest into these things. Because we are in IT, we don't have any other scope, right? We need to be in IT, of course, to make our bread and butter. But it's not just about coding, but it's just about loving your field, understanding what exactly it is, and that you can only do by participating in this kind of activities which has been conducted by either in college or outside college. It's just about being enthusiastic more into it. So with this, I will conclude my words. Of course, I'll be there to monitor this entire event and the festival, and wherever required, I'll be happy to contribute. Thank you so much again, Apurva ma'am and team, and thank you so much all of you for having me today here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Will you please, what say, you can start the festival. You should announce that. You have to do an announcement of festival open for everyone.
Okay, sure, ma'am. So I'll be really more than happy to start this festival today. And so let's start and enjoy, and of course participate. Each one of us can participate. I understood few of the activities that going to be there in the form of gaming, in the form of dance competition, mehndi competition, drama. So let's all participate and enjoy, and boost the confidence of all the participants who are going to participate. So let's enjoy it. Thank you so much all.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Aparna and Advait, you can take a charge, and thanks everyone.
थँक्यू सो मच प्रितेश सर. तुमचे शब्द आमच्यासाठी फक्त एक उल्हास नसून तुमच्या शब्दांनी आमच्या सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये हुरूप आलेला आहे. मी तुमचे आभार मानतो. तुम्ही जर्मनीवरनं आमच्यासाठी हा कार्यक्रम अटेंड करताय. तुम्ही आम्हाला जे काही सांगितलं ती तुमच्या ज्ञानाची एक झलक होती. तुमच्यामुळे आम्हाला गायडन्स तर मिळालाच, आम्हाला याची सुद्धा जाणीव झाली की हे नॉलेज किती वास्ट असू शकतं आणि आम्हाला अजून डाटा सायन्समध्ये किती स्कोप आहे. त्यामुळे मी तुमचे आभार मानतो. थँक्यू सो मच. थँक्यू सो मच अपूर्वा मॅम. आम्हाला हा फेस करण्याची तुम्ही संधी दिलेली आहे आणि या कोविड-19च्या काळामध्ये आपण सगळे घरात असून सुद्धा तुम्ही आम्हाला जी चिकाटीने सांगितलं, तुम्ही आम्हाला जसा मार्ग दाखवला की नाही तुम्ही हा फेस करा, ऑनलाईन असलं म्हणून काय झालं, तुम्ही करू शकता. तुम्ही आम्हा सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये एक आत्मविश्वास दिलेला आहे. तुम्ही आम्हाला सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना एक जाणीव करून दिलेली आहे की आता तुम्ही जरी घरात असलात तरी सुद्धा तुम्ही हा फेस्ट तुम्ही घरात बसून करू शकता. कुठलीही परिस्थिती येऊ द्या, तुम्हाला लढायचं आहे, तुम्हाला जिंकायचं आहे. तो आत्मविश्वास तुम्ही आमच्या सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये जागृत करून दिला, त्याबद्दल मी सगळ्या विद्यार्थ्यांतर्फे तुमचे खूप खूप शतशः आभार मानतो. अँड आय रिक्वेस्ट माय co-host Aparna to give thanks to our respected principal sir and other teachers and our respected Seema Saple ma'am. Please take a charge, Aparna.
थैंक यू अद्वैत. 2 शब्दों से शुरू करना चाहूंगी. किस तरह से शुक्रिया कहें आपको, किस तरह से शुक्रिया कहें आपको, जमीन से उठाकर दिल में बिठा लिया है, नजरें भी नजरों में समाकर पलकों पे सजा दिया है, इतना सम्मान दिया है हमें, मेरे बिखरे शब्दों को कविता बना दिया है. अब
वाह.
माननीय मुख्य अतिथि, समिति प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, आमंत्रित अतिथि, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आप सभी की आभारी हूं. सबसे पहले मैं प्रिंसिपल सर को धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी. आपने मुझे इस शुभ अवसर पर धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव के लिए चुना है. मेरे लिए यह एक सम्मान की बात है. पूरे संस्थान की ओर से मैं माननीय मुख्य अतिथि को धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ. उनकी उपस्थिति और प्रेरणादायक शब्दों के बिना स्कूल का कोई भी कार्यक्रम पूर्ण नहीं हो सकता था. मैं आपको दिल की गहराई से धन्यवाद देती हूँ. मैं आज के सारे उपस्थित अतिथिगण के प्रति दिल से आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ. महोदय, आपकी उपस्थिति ने इस घटना को यादगार बना दिया है. आपकी उपस्थिति और सुझाव के लिए हम आपको धन्यवाद देते हैं. इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने के लिए दिए गए समर्थन के लिए सभी प्रमुख पदाधिकारी और कृतज्ञता से धन्यवाद करती हूँ. मैं विद्यार्थी कमेटी और सहायक स्टाफ को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगी. आखिर में ये कहना चाहूंगी, मिट्टी से जिसने सोना बनाया, जिंदगी को जीना सिखाया, लक्ष्य भेदने का जिसने मार्ग दिखाया, उस गुरु को शत शत प्रणाम. उस गुरु को शत शत प्रणाम. With this, I'll end the Thanksgiving opportunity, and with this, I'll start the event, and will request all the volunteers and to start. Will request all the volunteers to start their event and enjoy the day. Make our festival worth celebrating. Thank you for this opportunity to all the teachers and.
Yes,
And
yes,
Apurva
Aparna.
madam.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. It was fantastic. By the end of this speech or the introduction and all, I think I can see that confidence level of my students, and that is a really. And 3 cheers to you people. Though it was little bit online, giving all this speech and making all those stepwise. Following all those rules and discipline was really difficult, but now at the end I could see the confidence within you. So beautifully you have said the words. It was fantastic, both of you. Thank you, Aparna and Advait. Thank you, Rakesh sir, the team leader of this festival. Thank you, sir, Pawar sir. Thank you, Seema Sape ma'am, for attending this and making our festival the best. Thank you so much, and congratulations to all my students. You can enjoy the festival. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Apurva madam, and all the best.
Thank थँक्यू मॅम. आता हे सगळे आपापल्या टीम्सवर जातील त्यांचे इव्हेंट्स हे करायला, डान्सचं वेगळे टीम्स वगैरे, आणि जज त्याप्रमाणे त्यांनी निवडलेत आणि त्याप्रमाणे स्टुडंट्स आणि टीचर्स आणि जज दे विल एन्जॉय दोज इव्हेंट्स. डिफरंट याच्यावर टीम्सवर आहेत.
ओके ओके. चलो.
ओके मॅम. थँक्यू मॅम.
बाय बाय.
बाय मॅम. बाय सर. Hello, Pawar sir.
Well, I need to make an announcement. Our event will be starting from 11:30 onwards. So all the students who are participating, please join in the link.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Apurva ma'am, should I end the meeting?
हा, प्रितेश सर आहेत का? प्रितेश सर का
Hello.
गेले प्रितेश सर पण?
स्वप्नाली
Hello?
मॅडम अटेंडन्स घ्या.
हा मॅम, मी ऑलरेडी डाउनलोड केलेली ती.
No, first stop the recording, Swapnali.
हो.
मला वाटतं प्रितेश सर आणि पवार